So my friend, I am again back with a new video on Flutter development course. In the previous video, I taught to build a UI to very beginner developer, and I told you to the intermediate developer to download the source code from the description. And in this video, I will create the REST UI. And if you didn't watch my previous video, if you are that beginner developer, make sure to watch them, and if you are an intermediate developer, download the source code from my description. So let's start. So in the previous video, I did develop this login page, and today we will develop this sign up page, this dashboard page, this chat page, and the profile page. So let's start from the sign up page. Here, this is the sign up page, and we will develop this. So before starting the coding, let's refactor the codes in different files. So create another file named components start, like this way. Go to the main.dot again, and just leave that my home page only, and cut all the code and paste all of them here, and click on this stateless widget and import the material.dot. Now go to main.dot and import the file. Now everything is fine. So today we will create the sign up page at first. So create one file named signup.dot, like this way. Go to your main page again, and from the scaffold copy all the codes up to the end of scaffold. Here import the material.dot and create one stateless widget and name it as sign up, like this way. And instead of that container, paste all the code again and import the file. Now just save it. Now everything is fine. And now I need to navigate to the sign up page while clicking on this login button. For that, here this is the login button, and there is on tap property which we described in the previous video. So just write here on tap, like this way, and in order to navigate, just write navigator dot push, like this way, and here material page root context, and just return here that sign up page, like this way. Now save it, and now when you click on this login page, this will navigate to that sign up page, but everything is looking same because we did copied all the code from there. So just change this login into sign up in your sign up page, like this way, and save it. Now it is updated. The email and password is right, but we need one extra field named confirm password. Just write here confirm password, like this way. Save it, and now everything is fine. Like this way, and remove this text button and just save it. again change it by login. See here, news, that is wrong thing. Right here, already have an account, like this way, and change it into sign up and save it. Now everything is fine. This is the fault in the sign up page. There shouldn't be a forgot password button, so here just give the space by just writing here sized box, and the height must be 10 pixel, like this way. Save it. It is fine, but not, just write here 20 pixel. Now it's fine, I think. And now again, when I click on this sign up button, it should to navigate into that complete page, that means the complete profile, but it is not showing. Let me show you the here you can see the UI. This is our complete page. And now you can see this is our complete page, and we need to create this one now. So for that, again create one file named complete dot 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 dot, like this way. Save it, and again import the package called material dot dot, and again create one stateless widget, like this way, and again paste name it as complete profile, like this way, and again paste the go to the sign up page and copy all the codes from the scaffold to end of the scaffold, like this way. And now paste everything in the complete page, and make sure to import the package, if that's the file that we did created. And now save it, and when you press on the sign up button, it is not working because we didn't navigate it to that page. So for that, again go to the sign up button, like this way, and write on tap, and here just write again navigator dot push material page root, and inside the builder write a context, and just return like this way to the complete page. Here you can see here complete profile, just write complete profile, like this way, and make sure to import it, like this way. Now save it, and when you again press on this sign up button, it will be navigated to that sign up page again, that means the complete page. And as we copied the code from the sign up page, so that it is showing the same page, again just write here complete, like this way. Go to the UI, that means just you don't need this file, it is only for me. You just copy the, you just follow my codes. Here you can see there is 3 fields, so it is already 3 fields. Here just write enter your name, enter your number, like this way, and again attach your file. That means this will be the button, so that by the help of which we can attach our profile photo or file, whatever. So just write here that button which we did use for this sign up, but leave it as text field, we will manage it later. So just write select your photo, let's say, and change the email into dot, let's say title, phone, just write here phone, here photo, that means person, like this way. And now save it, and now it is good. And now instead of this sign up button, we need the complete button, like this way. Again save it, and here remove this already have an account button from this page, that remove it. Now everything is fine. Now we need to make this button to navigate to the our landing page, that means our dashboard. So for that, again create one file named dashboard dot import the file again, import the material again, material, like this way, and create an stateless widget and name it as dashboard, like this way. And now save the project and go to a complete file, and in the button again write on tap. Now save the project, like this way. And when you now click on this complete button, you will be navigated to the dashboard. And now if you know, tell me why this screen is blank. If you are my regular student, then please tell me, like this way, paste here, and now it is white. So here in this page, here you can see there is an app bar which contains the chat app text, and the icon and the profile, that means the circle avatar. This is in the Flutter, this is circle avatar, and the search engine and other components. So let's create it. For that, firstly write here app bar, and here, but you can see here all the widgets are arranged, that means this search field, this text, and this, that means groups are arranged in a column, so that we need one column widget. You just try it with me, and I will try to make you understood after creating. Now this is our column widget. Now save it, and let's give the color of this app bar. So go to a main dot, and copy this color code. Again go to dashboard and change this above color. Right here, background color, background color equals to this one. Save it. Now it is same as that, and some of the things are different because that UI is shown in the iOS simulator, but this is our Android. And you can see here this is icon of that drawer. That means when we press on this button, it should to open the drawer, but this is only just a UI, so that it is not showing. So let's create that, the drawer. For that, here just write drawer equals to capital D W, like this way, drawer, and save it. Now when you press on this, the drawer will be appeared. Now everything is fine. We will change this icon later, so for now just create that search engine. So for that, I need firstly one container. Here you can see we need the container, like this way, container, and width here just write double dot infinity, like this way. This will give the width of the whole screen, that means the whole width of the screen. And now you need to remove this const, and again the height must be of, I think, let's go there and let's see the height of this search engine. You can see 40 pixels, and save it. Now nothing is shown because the color of this container is on blank, so that is mixed with the background color. So let's color it like this way and go there and copy the color code here. Now you can see this is our color code. So just copy this code. You can get the color code by just seeing the video. Just write with me, and now paste the color code inside it. That means you need to write it. Now save it, and now you can see the container is shown successfully. And now we need the decoration. Now you can see inside of this space we need the text field, like this way, and the icon. So for that, inside the container and outside of this decoration, just write here the child, and just save it. And you can see the search, the text field is now shown, but we need to remove this. What is this is the border, so that just write border input border dot none. Now save it, and this is now gone. And here in the leading, Now you can see it is very similar to that, the UI. And now we got our first target, and now we need this text. So for that, again go to the downside of this text field, like this way, and let's refactor it once. That means reformat it once, and here write const, so the code will be looking cleared and clean. So just write here, and now again text, and now save it. Now it is same as that, and here again we need the color, so just write the color and paste the code which you did paste in your background color of app bar. Paste it. Make sure to write here the const, like this way. Save it. I think now everything is fine. So let's align it to this, to the left side. So for that I need to add here the cross axis alignment to that our column, because this text field and this text is in our column, and by default the cross axis of the column is center, so that it is aligned to the center, but we need it at the start. So that just write here the cross axis alignment, and again cross axis alignment dot, you can see the start, and now save it. Now everything is fine, and again copy this padding with padding, and go to the text field, wrap this widget with padding, and now paste it, and now save it. Now it is aligned properly, and now here just write the const, and make sure to remove others. Now save it, and everything is now fine, and now we got our second target. Now there is the list of these fields, that means the groups. So for that I need to create this container at first, then the profile picture, and then whatever is there present. For that, now go to the downside of it, and again create on container, and now we need some margin, so we will give it later. At first let's put the elements of this widget. So for that, outside this decoration, again write the child, and that will be row. You can see here in the UI the data is arranged in row. That means the firstly this is the that means the profile photo, and these texts are in that column. So for that, here write row, like this way, and here write children again, and here just write the circular avatar, like this way, and here I need to give it the image. For that I need to firstly write here the radius, and go to and copy its radius 19 pixel, 19 point something 5, and now everything is fine. Now it is good. Now you can see there will be a multiple groups in the chat app. So that means when you want to create another group and another group, you can create that for maybe 500 times, 200 times, any you can create that as many times as you want. We can't fix the size, that the amount of these cards. So for that we need the list view builder, so that will build the list, that means that will build the element as many times as you want. So for that, go to upper side. After the group, here you can see this container. Let's cut it once like this way and press Ctrl X, and here again create one stateless widget and write here the group card like this way. And now remove this one and paste it. And now we did extracted this group card, and now here we can, some error is showing here. Now it is fine, and again now we can use this card again and again as many times as I want and as you want. So for that, here we need the list view builder. Here list view build, that means list, not list view, just write a list view builder like this way. Just write I, that means it will be the index, so like this way. And here return that card, that means the group card, like this way, and just save it. Now you got some error because in the column widget we need to, when inside the column widget, when we need to use the list view builder or that the list view any other columns, we need to wrap it with that means the expanded widget, in order to prevent from this kind of errors. So now you can see there are many of that cards, but there is no gap between them. So just wrap this card, that means don't try to wrap that card, just wrap this list view builder at first with padding widget, so that we will get the gap from both sides. That means we will get the gap from this side and this side, and then we will manage the gap between the cards. So just write here the padding like this way, and here write child like this way, and just write here padding edge inserts dot all. No, I don't think all, that there should be that the symmetric, and we need to add the padding from the horizontal way like this way, and here the 16 pixels. Try to save it. Now you can see it is now aligned properly, and but we need the gap between them. I think here we can add the padding. Let's try to add it like this way, inserts dot only at the top of each card. Just write here 16 pixels. Try to save it. No, this is not for that. So just cut it as it like this way, and here wrap this container with the padding widget. Okay. Save it. Now we got the gap between them, and with the list view you can see here this is looking same as our UI. Let's see, but we need one button, that means the Flutter, it is called in Flutter, it is called the floating action button. So for that, again go upper side, and outside of this app bar write here floating action button like this way, and again write capital F and this floating action button like this way. Here in the icon property, in the child property, write here the icon dot add, like this way. And it has one another property which is required, that means on pressed right here, like this way. Now save it. Now it is again same as that, the UI, but the color of this floating action button is not same, so just give it this color right here, the background color, and again copy paste the color. Sorry, like this way. Just save it. Now the color is also matched successfully. Now everything is like the UI, same as the UI. You can see here you can see everything is same, but there is the circle avatar at the right side of this app bar. So at app bar there is a property called actions. Inside of it, go to downside and copy that circle avatar from this group, like this way. Just copy it and go to upper side, and inside of this actions, paste it right here, the const, and make sure to remove this const and save it. It is not showing because of the same color. Just right here, the colors dot white. Save it. Now it is showing successfully, and wrap it with padding widget. Save it. Now it is same as the UI, and we will get the image from our server, so that for that it will be empty. Now this is for now, rest of the thing will be in the next video. And in order to get notified, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. And if you liked my video, please like and share with your friend. Thank you.